Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll continue working on Web API and learn about the post method. Let's dive right in. In the previous video of this series, we created a get method that retrieves colors by their ID from the array. Before we move on to the post method, we'll adjust this method so it returns all the colors in the array. This will make our example easier to follow. Next, we'll update our array to use a generic list. This way, when we post a new color, it will be added to the list. Now, let's run the project to make sure our changes work as expected before we continue with our post method. Now, I'll send a request to our get method using the Postman extension in Visual Studio Code. If you are not sure how to install or use the Postman extension, I've added a video linked in the description that walks you through the process. Click on the Postman extension in the left-hand side panel. Then click New HTTP Request. Make sure the get method is selected, enter the address along with the controller name and then press Send. The response is returned from our get method just as expected. Let's go back to our project and create a post method. With this method, we'll add a new color to our list. The method will receive a color and add it to the list if the entry is not empty. Otherwise, it will return an error message. Let's run the project again and try it out. First, I'll check the current list to see which colors are already there. Next, I'll change the method to post and select body, row, JSON in order. Now it's time to send the request. If we send an empty request, the response will say that the color name cannot be empty. This time, let's send purple. As you can see, the response shows that the color was added to our list, and the status confirms that the post request worked successfully. Now we can check the updated color list using the get method once again. As you can see, purple has been added to the list. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.